Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to download and install GCam on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. From here, just tap on download now. Then tap on Google Camera 9.6. From here, just tap on download for all other Android phones. Then tap on this link. Then tap on open. From here, just tap on install. Then select open. From here, just give this app this permission. Now just tap on done. And as you can see, we have successfully installed Google Camera on our Oppo phone. Just like that. And this is how you can download and install GCam on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.